The Coin Series channel is pleased to have you back. Who are you with? Your vote enter in the option community. Option A XRP. Option B Ripple. Option C SEC. Potentially, XRP might see a massive surge around the beginning of 2024. Let me explain the reasoning behind that. If XRP can't break out of its current technical impasse, it might not move at all in the coming year. A descending triangle has formed on the Bitcoin chart. This pattern is usually viewed as a bearish sign because the extra chest diagram consistently shows lower highs meeting support levels. On the other hand, it's likely that the breakthrough will cause prices to go up. There will be less market volatility as a result of the compression of XRP prices, as indicated by the triangle form. In light of the present situation in the Bitcoin markets, volatility has its advantages and disadvantages. Conversely, large losses could result from extremely volatile markets. On top of that, it could lead to major enhancements. One possible indicator that traders are losing interest in the market's volatility is the lack of volatility in XRP. This could have a negative impact on the cryptocurrency's success. A supplementary twist diagram preventing a downward spiral requires the presence of the triangle's base, which serves as a support line. The bearish outlook might be confirmed and a sell-off could be triggered if the price fails to break above the falling trendline and instead falls below support. Beyond this vital stage, the item's ability to retain value becomes paramount. One day, XRP's market might be called a crab market by investors. In everyday language, a crab market is characterized by a lack of trend and a sideways movement. While sideways trading may not have a negative impact on the market immediately, it can have a negative impact in the long run. If there aren't enough good factors to drive prices up, it could indicate that investors aren't confident. The formation of a falling triangle does not necessarily indicate the end of an asset's life. A possible breakout to higher levels is still possible. Since XRP often makes a final move as it approaches the apex of the triangle, the market will be watching any changes in volume or external market factors that could affect the direction of this move very attentively. There is a major problem with the current arrangement for XRP since it implies the asset could not have performed as expected last year. For assets that demand ongoing vigilance and trading on the part of investors, assuming the market maintains its current trajectory, the asset's market position may gradually decline. However, GPT discussion suggests that XRP will reach $10.20 during the next day. Ripple Prime's value has been very constant recently, after experiencing a short jump a few weeks ago. The overall supply in a favorable position has lately dropped, despite XRP's recent ascension to the position of fourth largest asset and a substantial increase in accumulation among Ripple's main holders over the previous week. This steady accumulation trend has been happening for some time. Consequently, XRP holders are facing a precarious scenario right now. Many XRP investors are wondering whether the current court ruling will boost the coin's popularity and whether there will be significant changes in 2024. Please tell me more about Ripple Labs' connection to XRP. Even though Ripple is a centralized financial technology business, the cryptocurrency XRP is used to conduct network transactions by Ripple Labs. In 2004, it was established. Founded in 2012 by Chris Larson and Jed McCaleb under the name Ripple Pay, the startup aims to provide a safer and faster method to conduct international transactions. Despite the frequent interchangeability of the terms, XRP refers to Ripple's open-source digital asset. To put it simply, Ripple is a tech business. The XRP Ledger Exaplayer, which is the cryptocurrency blockchain, relies on RTSP, or the Ripple Transaction Protocol, to facilitate transactions. Compared to other cryptocurrencies that are pre-mined, the maximum number of tokens that can be in circulation is 100 billion. The coin's primary function is to facilitate transactions on the Ripple network by acting as a settlement layer. Despite this, it has been traded as a cryptocurrency. Therefore, it can be purchased on many exchanges. Here you can find a wide variety of markets, including options, swaps, spot, futures, custodial, and non-custodial exchanges. No small task awaits us. SEC. A lawsuit was filed against Ripple Labs in 2020. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission acted to promote XRP as a U.S.-regulated securities after it was determined that the distribution of $1.03 billion worth of cryptocurrency to its stakeholders violated the law. A contentious issue in this case was the legal standing of XRP, which might be understood as a security, a share in Ripple, or a cryptocurrency similar to Bitcoin. Ripple and the SEC have been at odds for a long time. In order to fund itself, Ripple allegedly sold XRP to investors, as revealed by the SEC. Its reasoning was based on the Supreme Court's decision in SEC v. WWEJ, How IT Firm, which was handed down in 1946. An important factor in deciding whether an investment contract is a security, according to the agency's statement, is the investor's power to determine the distribution of earnings. On the other hand, Ripple Labs argued that the SEC had failed to inform or caution them about the problem in July 2023. Finally, a decision was made regarding the subject. Separate arguments lasted over 3 years until the court determined that XRP was not a security. The SEC also had its request for an interlocutory appeal denied. This forced the SEC to abandon its case against Ripple and XRP, which it had filed on grounds of securities breaches. There is a significant difference between purchasing and selling equities and cryptocurrency on exchanges. The Securities and Exchange Commission has opened the market to institutional buyers of cryptocurrencies. I am still curious to hear the GPT's take on things, even though it doesn't have the most recent data or predictions. By breaking into the system, I intend to disprove its forecasts for XRP's future. The bot was asked to forecast XRP's future, given the current situation. Speculation has been rife that the cryptocurrency could see short-term improvements in value due to investor euphoria fueled by the favorable court verdict. Using ChatGPT as the source could cause a slow fall in the market because of how sensitive variables like adoption, sentiment, and regulatory clarity are. Even if there have been encouraging legal developments, the BA stressed the need to keep up with other news and any regulatory changes that could impact the XRP price. In the future, when you inquired GPT about the projected value of XRP in the first quarter of 2024, the bot has made some bold predictions, such as the cryptocurrency reaching $10 per token. I provide some context for a discussion about GPT by talking about the current prices of Ethereum and Bitcoin. Although it dubbed this peak the century's rebirth, it qualifies its forecasts by stressing they are purely speculative and that real prices may turn out to be much different. Lastly, I was wondering if 2020 might see the cryptocurrency hit a new all-time high. Ignoring its prior all-time high, the bot informed me in its reply that XRP will fail to reach its all-time high in 2024, before leaping to record heights. Today, it was all over. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye for now.